Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. We're doing a cabin filter. Voila. This goes in. See that? That goes in. You can focus. So using both hands, or one at a time, which you probably can't do. Oh wait, you did. Oh, ho, ho, ho. We get this guy out of the way. Let's get the door open. See that? That just locks into place. So these are your tools. And then falls in your lap. And then I have a little door right here. And my hands are frozen because I just did the wipers and it's freezing cold outside. So see the little lock right there? Let's get this guy off. So with my right hand that's not frozen, I'll pull this guy out. See this little dude? And that, I guess, I think you can do either side. This is the easier side. So always go to the easier side. Put it where I don't lose it. And the airflow goes down as usual. So let's pull this puppy out with our still frozen hand. Let's say made in Germany. What? Not made in China. See that? It's a new car. Here is the part number, and we are going to put it back with a new one. And you're going to like it, don't like it, share, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. And thanks for, hold on, let's lock this puppy into place. That's it. This guy, yes, I gotta just push this thing up. If this puppy pops off, it just pops off. You see? Pop her back on, and there you go. Push. Thanks for watching.